ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಗೈಸ್.
ನಾವು ಬೊಕ್ಕ
ಇದು ನಾವೇ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಫೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್ ಸಮರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್.
ನಾನು IAS ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅ ನಾಟಿ ಕಿಡ್? Imagine for one day God is giving you that superpower.
Taking chocolates like this
Why? Dentist.
because I can fix my own teeth.
Wow.
Savage.
After that,
Go to heaven. Watch Coco Melon. Eat watermelon. 10 plus 1 is 11.
hello, hi, welcome to Ladies Compartment. And ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಯಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್, ತಾಶ್ವಿ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಯ್ ತಾಶ್ವಿ.
Hi.
ತಾಶ್ವಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮಗಳು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸು ತಾಶ್ವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ?
6 years.
6 years. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಯಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಶೋ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್.
Thank you.
ಸೊ ತಾಶ್ವಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ?
Video shoot.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಾ? ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿಂಗೆ?
You're taking video.
ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಆಮ್ ಐ? ನಾನು ಯಾರು?
Vashini auntie.
ವರ್ಷಿನಿ ಆಂಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಗೈಸ್.
ನಾವು ಬೊಕ್ಕ
ಇದು ನಾವೇ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಮೀ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಷಿನಿ ಆಂಟಿ?
ಬೊಕ್ಕ.
ಹೌ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಯು ಸೆಡ್
6.
6 years. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್?
First standard.
ಈಗ ಜೂನಿಂದನಾ?
I don't know when my summer holidays stop.
After your summer holidays. First standard. Wow. You're a big girl or a small girl?
Big girl.
Big girl? Okay. So summer holidays ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಮನೇಲಿ? What are you doing at home in summer holidays?
Doing summer camp.
Summer camp?
Mama is making a summer camp.
Mama is doing summer camp? Wow. What all are you doing in summer camp?
Watering plants.
Huh.
Eating food by myself.
Oh, Mama is doing the summer camp for you at home?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Huh. Watering plants. ಊಟ ನೀನೇ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ that's all you do.
Now I do more homework. 4 pages.
ಬರೀತ್ಯಾ? ಏನು ಬರೀತ್ಯಾ?
Kannada, English, mental math,
What is mental math? What do you do in mental math?
addition.
Addition you do. You do it mentally, is it? Can I ask you? Okay, how much is 7 plus 5?
12.
How did you calculate it so quickly?
Like that.
Like that? Okay. How much is 4 plus 6?
10.
5 plus 8?
13.
What are you doing? This something you're doing. You're talking, you're doing something. What are you doing?
Nothing.
ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್?
10 o'clock, 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock.
ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಐ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock you get up.
No, we'll get up at 8 o'clock, I think so.
ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಬೈ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್? ನೀನೇ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಬ್ಬಿಸ್ತಾರಾ?
Mama will wake me up.
Mama will wake you up. Okay.
I'll cry that time.
You will cry. Why will you cry?
I don't want to get up.
You just want to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Full day.
Full day.
Why? You don't like going to school, friends ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು? No. Mama and dad are not at home. Ajji, tata, nobody is at home, okay? You are alone in your house. What will you do?
I will watch TV.
What will you watch on TV?
Fixies.
Fixies. Okay, it's a cartoon. You will watch cartoon and then ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ? What do you like to eat? Like imagine you can order food, they will only bring it. You have all the superpower, okay? You have the money, whatever, everything you have that day. It is only you. What will you do? One I know, okay.
I got one thing.
Huh.
I know my route to my Avva's house, okay?
You know route to your Havva's house?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now?
I could walk and go easy.
You'll walk and go to Avva's house. Okay, what do you do when you go to Avva's house?
Drawing, watching TV.
Everywhere watching TV. Kalli.
With Chiku, I'll do reels.
ವಿತ್ ಚೀಕು ಯು ಡೂ ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಚೀಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಳು ಅವ್ರ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮನ ಚೀಕು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾಳೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕೂಲ್ ನೋ ಹ್ಞೂ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನಿಂಗೆ ಯಾರು
She also bought me tattoos. It's gone now.
ಟ್ಯಾಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲಾ ಏನು ಟ್ಯಾಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲು
Unicorn tattoo.
ಯು ಲವ್ ಯೂನಿಕಾರ್ನ್
And Peppa.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪಾ ಪಿಗ್ ಯಾ ಐ ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ವಾಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪಾ ಪಿಗ್ ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಅವ್ವಾಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ನೋ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಈಟ್
Nothing.
ನಂಬೇಡಿ ಇದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅವಳು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ
I like chocolates, but there's no chocolate.
No, let's say you can go buy whatever you want. You have that superpower. What all will you buy to eat? Chocolates, ice creams.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Which chocolate do you like?
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Okay. In breakfast, idli, dosa, puri, upma, rice bath. What do you like?
Idli. Rava idli.
Rava idli. But you just told dosa ishta anta.
Dosa and rava idli.
Dosa and rava idli. Do you like plain dosa, masala dosa, kali dosa? What dosa you like?
Kali dosa.
Kali dosa with benne.
Yeah.
Where do you like to eat dosa and idli?
Somewhere where Dada takes.
Do you like idli, dosa, rice bath, puri, which is group A? Group B is pizza, burger, pasta, sushi, dim sum, all of that. Which one do you like?
A.
A. But what about pizza, pasta, dim sum? Ugh. Okay. So apart from school, I know your mom puts you to so many classes. Correct? What all classes do you go to? I have lost count of.
Phonics, badminton, summer camp.
That is summer holidays. Normal days.
No, in home also one summer camp, out also summer camp.
Full summer camp. Okay. So basically,
Home summer camp is fun.
ಹೋಮ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಫನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು IAS ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ಇವಳು ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಚಿಕ್ಕವಳಿದ್ದಾಗಿಂದನೂ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್
Means phonics.
ಹಾಂ ಫೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್
Kannada, Hindi, math.
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಿಂಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
Means
ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೀನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಂ
ಓಕೆ
ಡೀಲ್
Yeah.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರೋದು
ಮಮ್ಮ,
ಹಾಂ
ದಾದಾ, ಅಪ್ಪತ್ತ,
ಹಾಂ
ಕಣ್ಣ.
ಹೂಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪತ್ತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಣ್ಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ನಿಂಗೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹೂ ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ
ಮಮ್ಮ.
ಏ ದೊಂಗ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಮ್ಮ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್
Really.
ಯು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಮೀ ಯುಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಪಿಂಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್
Pinky from.
Pinky promise is like, why are you smiling when you're telling Pinky promise, yeah?
How did you learn it?
Huh?
How did you learn it?
Learn what? Pinky promise. I'm also a girl, no? I also went to school, no? My friends taught me in school.
No.
Then how do you think I
You
know?
don't go to school.
I used to go to school. ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪಾಪು ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆಗ I would go to school. Why do you like mama?
Because she takes care of me.
Nobody else takes care of you.
No. Dada will take little.
Dada will take care little. And mama will take care how much? This much. Okay.
Every day.
Every day, mama takes care of you. Mama, you like? Whom are you scared of? ಭಯ ಇದೆಯಾ ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರು? You're scared of somebody in the house?
No.
Hey, why did you take so much time?
I'm scared of mama.
You like mama, you're scared of mama.
Because she hits me.
She hits you. Yala.
Because of my good.
Because of?
My good.
Because of your good. For your good. Oh, okay. But are you a naughty kid? Why are you laughing? You're a good girl or a bad girl?
Good girl.
ವೈ ಯು ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ತರಲೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಅವಳು ನಗುವಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. ತುಂಬ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಕಿರ್ಚ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು ಮನೇಲಿ? ಹಾ? ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಿರ್ಚ್ತೀಯ?
Nobody.
Nobody. ಜಗಳ, ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್?
Dada.
You fight with Dada? You hit.
Because he will tell something and all.
He will tell something and all.
For mama.
For Mama. Oh, for Mama you're hitting Dada.
No, not like that.
Yeah.
Dada will tell some like
Okay.
thing.
Okay, while they are okay, if Mama and Dada are having,
Some naughty things he'll tell.
ಸರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್.
That's
Okay,
why I hit Dada.
you hit Dada. Mama and Dada are fighting. What will you do?
Nothing, I'll go somewhere else because they're too noisy.
They're too noisy.
It'll be a bit noisy there, no?
Uh,
So I'll go near my toy place
huh.
and I will play.
You will play. Okay. If Mama or Dada are crying, what will you do? Nothing.
I don't know at all.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀನು ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಂತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
She has foil, no? That when the foil is over, one thing will come, no?
ಹಾಂ,
That one-
roll.
roll.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ.
That roll I will do.
You will do that roll on her back.
Yeah, like this. And I will hit like this.
You will ask Mama or Mama will only say give me massage?
She will only say.
She will only say give me massage. Okay. Who makes you do a lot of work? Nobody gives you any work.
They give
Who gives work at home?
Mama little work.
Mama only little work. What all work does Mama give?
I don't know that.
ఇంట్లో ఏమేమి పని చేస్తావు నువ్వు?
She tells me to put the plate for wash.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
You're scared of Mama. I know that.
No.
You can tell whatever you want. I am there to protect you. You tell. So you said you like unicorn, no?
And
Game-
Peppa Pig.
And Peppa Pig. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅವೆರಡು?
I don't know that.
Which is your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. Why?
Because Mama likes.
Your Mama's baby or Dada's baby?
Mama.
Hey! You come here after 4-5 years, I will talk to you. Tell me the truth. You're telling all of this only Mama because Mama is sitting here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because I am Mama's friend.
Mm-hmm.
I'm your Dada's friend also. You know that I'm your Dada's friend, no?
Yeah.
But who am I, basically? Not my name. Don't tell Boka. Who am I? How do you know me? Telida. You know I'm your Mama's friend.
Ah.
You know I'm your Dada's friend also. Huh? Pakka, no? Okay. Phonics, swimming, and then?
Gymnastics, dance class, badminton, keyboard.
Okay, you're learning so many things, no?
6 classes.
6 classes. Any other classes that you've gone to?
Summer camp, shloka class.
Huh. What shloka do you know?
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Okay. Any other one?
Triambakam Yajame, Sugandham Pushtivardanam, Urvarukam Iva Bandhanam, Mrityur Mukshyam Amrutam.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ?
Yeah.
So, which is your favorite movie?
Pushpa.
Pushpa. What does the hero do in Pushpa?
Taggedile.
Huh?
Taggedile.
Taggedele. Even you, Taggedele, no? Which is your favorite song?
Pushpa, 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 Pushpa Raj.
What all do you do in school? ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ?
Writing, materials.
ಹಾಂ. ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್?
No.
ನೋ. ಕಲರಿಂಗ್?
Coloring.
ಹಾಂ. ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್?
No playing.
ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್.
Only materials. In that, we will imagine we are playing.
In materials you will imagine. What is your favorite toy? What all do you play with?
Home I play Strike 4,
Huh.
Uno,
Uno you will play. With whom you will play Uno?
Dada. Mama.
Dada won't cheat.
Yeah. Sometimes whenever he sees draw 4, no,
Huh.
he'll take it and put it in his cards.
Kada, your dada cheats, kada. But in you, Mama, Dada, 3 of you play or only you and Dada play?
Sometimes me, Mama and Dada. Sometimes me and Dada. Or me and Mama.
Okay. Do you also cheat while playing Uno?
Yes.
Cheating is bad, Tashu. I fought with your daddy because he cheats. Cheating is bad. You shouldn't cheat.
No,
Just the
it's
one.
not bad.
Cheating is not bad. You also take like that, draw 4 and keep off.
No, draw twos.
Draw 2s you take.
Oh, such shuffle hand.
Who wins, you or dada?
Sometimes me or sometimes that.
Oh, na? But you know fully draw, full Uno, you know how to play. Do E? What happened here?
2 teeth broke.
Two teeth broke. When?
I don't know days.
Okay. No, like recently or while you were going to school?
Not when I was going to school. When I was in home only it fell.
It fell off. But was
Tooth
it
fairy came, okay? That time it gave me 500 note.
500 note? Tooth fairy gave. It was under your pillow.
How do you know?
Because when I was a small baby also, Tooth Fairy, but Tooth Fairy gave me only 5 rupees. What did you do with that 500?
Nothing, I'll buy something up.
What do you want to buy? Like toy, eating? What do you want to buy?
I want to buy chocolate.
Hey, you said you don't like chocolates that much? Okay, which all chocolates will you buy?
Dairy milk?
Kit Kat?
Yeah, Kit Kat?
Kinder Joy?
No. Yeah.
Wow. Gone mad?
Huh.
Gone mad? Okay. You don't like ice creams?
Uh-huh.
No.
I like that cookies ice cream.
Cookies ice cream. Okay.
That'll be green in color, no? It's like a donut.
You got 500 for one tooth or for 2 teeth you got 500?
One tooth it fell. The another tooth someday another it fell. But another tooth it's lost now.
It's lost. But for all of that you got 500.
No. That one tooth was lost now.
Oh, if you would have kept that tooth, then again another 500.
Or 10 rupees.
10 rupees. I heard that now your mama is giving you 50 rupees every day. Why?
Because I'm doing some work. Eating by my own, watering plants. 22 shlokas.
You tell 22 shlokas.
I don't know how many. I read a storybook every day.
What kind of stories do you like?
Animal story.
Huh.
Human story.
Maneli, at home, mama yells at dada or dada yells at mama? Hey, who shouts at you?
Mama, because of my good, I told you, no.
Okay, fine. Who are your friends in school?
Mamuna, Ariana,
Hmm.
Vinanti,
Hmm.
Kian,
Kian, okay.
Shanvi,
Huh.
Ritanya.
All girls only, only one boy. Okay, you don't have a lot of guys as your friends, is it? Why?
They tell 2 to me.
They tell 2 to you. That
So I also tell 2. And I make other new friends.
other new friends. Do you friends fight and all?
No.
No, you guys only play.
Only me, Ariana, fights for diamonds.
Diamonds? What diamonds?
Sequence.
For that you guys fight.
Like your chain is there, no, that bead. That also will fight.
Do you do this? Do you know this? Say yes. Say this is 2.
Yeah.
When you become friends, what do you do?
Say.
You should do that.
Yeah.
You don't do that.
I don't do.
Okay, say now with me. Chai, little chai. That is friends. Okay. So when after you fight, do you go and do friends again later with your friends? Yeah. Your teachers yell at you in school? Are they strict?
A little.
A little. Do you like talk in the class while teachers are teaching? You do. You do? Huh? What are you
We
doing?
all tell secrets.
Tell me also one
No.
secret. Why?
We all forget that.
You all forget the secrets. See, now I'm mama's friend, dada's friend. Now I'm your friend also. You're my friend, no?
Yeah.
We did say and all.
Yes.
So you will tell me a secret.
I don't know any of them for adults.
For adults, no. Your secret only you tell me. I won't tell. Pinky promise I
No,
won't tell
no,
mama, dada.
No.
No.
I told them already.
You told everything to them. You don't have any secret. Then in class, what secret are you talking?
Now it's over. School is over.
Okay. Who's your favorite teacher?
Pavitra ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
I know
Cooking
how to.
without fire. Like you chop and all.
I know how to chop.
What all do you chop?
Carrot. Carrot is a bit hard, so I'll do cucumber, beans, and mama will make some juice in that. That day I cut.
I remember one day you told me one poem, okay, about junk food. Like you shouldn't eat junk food, you should eat healthy. Do you remember that poem? Chips and Slice song, you know.
Yeah.
Can you tell us Chips and Slice song?
No.
Please. I want everyone to learn that. If you tell now, people will learn.
Chocolate biscuit, chips and fries, full of oil, full of spice. Too much they are tasty and nice, but they won't make you healthy and wise. Vegetable and fruits are part of my food. Milk and dry fruits, it tastes so good. Healthy and tasty, that's my food.
Yay! Anything else you know like this? Any other thing?
Nothing.
What time do you sleep?
9:30.
You will immediately go and sleep off, or you will trouble mama papa?
Trouble mama.
You will trouble mama papa?
No, mama, not dada.
Why?
Because
Huh.
I don't want to sleep.
You don't want to sleep, huh?
Huh?
And mama will be like, sleep, sleep.
Oh,
But dada only, if dada makes you sleep, dada only will sleep off, no?
yeah.
Yeah.
And I will go
You will go.
to
Okay.
mama.
To mama. After dada sleeps.
So he will sleep off, no, in deep sleep.
Huh.
So that time I could go, no.
You won't wake him up. Why?
Silent.
Silent.
If I wake him up, no,
Huh.
he will tell you should sleep, you should sleep.
So you'll be like, you sleep, and you'll get up and come off from there.
See, and I'll not make the sound of the door also.
If you make also, you won't get up.
Yeah.
Dada.
He'll snore
He'll snore. Oh. Mama won't snore.
like that.
Mama won't snore.
No,
No. You?
no.
You won't snore. How do you sleep? Show us how you sleep. Like that you sleep.
Sometimes I kick the blanket, okay?
Huh.
Again, when mama is sleeping, no.
Huh.
No, when I am sleeping, no, I'll kick the blanket, no. Mama's blanket will go off.
Mama's blanket will go off. What do you like doing with dada?
He'll take me to aeroplane park.
Aeroplane park? Oh, nice. What do you do when you go to aeroplane park?
There is some things we can ride on it.
You scream and fight with dada, or dada fights with you?
We both will do that.
You both will do that?
Naughty thing.
Naughty things.
If I ask him chocolate,
Huh.
he'll tell no and he'll only buy off.
That is sweet, no? That is so cute, no? You like it, no?
Yeah.
Huh. He'll give you, no, that
Mhm.
chocolate. Huh. And
Sometimes he'll tell, wait for mama,
Huh.
and sometimes he'll tell, you can eat.
he'll tell you can eat. Okay. If you want permission for something, whom do you ask? Mama or dada? Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Okay. Who will say yes and who will say no to everything that you want to do?
I don't know.
Mama will say no.
Yeah?
Dada will say yes.
Yeah. Sometimes mama says yes and sometimes dada says no.
Yay.
Sometimes mama says yes and sometimes dada says yes.
I will send your mama out, yeah.
Why?
You're getting scared of your mama and talking like this, no?
No?
Dongde. Where all have you traveled? Where all do you like going?
Singapore, Bangkok, then Dubai.
Local places also you tell, madam. Navella local or international only
When
you're telling.
I was 1 year, no,
Huh.
dada or mama celebrated my party.
They celebrated your party. What were you doing?
I got her
You got hurt. Oh yeah. Oh God.
on my first year birthday.
And you remember this?
Here,
No,
can
no.
you see
here.
this mark here?
Huh.
Here.
That's first year. Okay. One more thing you would tell, no. ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸೋಳು ಸಿಂಗಪೂರ್ ಅಬ್ಬು ಅಂತ. Where was that? You fell down in Singapore.
See, this scratch is still there.
Scratch is still there.
See here.
Singapore ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Dubai you didn't fall down.
Dubai, no.
Bangkok
I don't know.
you didn't fall down.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Are you angry at me now?
No.
No. Do you like dancing or singing?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Now that you know, you are telling you've learned so many classes, you've done so many things. What do you
I like to go to my old dance class.
old dance class?
But it's near my Chiku's house, okay?
Huh.
So, mama is not sending me. because it's a bit far.
Imagine you're getting that superpower. Like in cartoon, they'll show like lift this wing, it'll go like that. You've seen all of that.
Yeah.
Imagine for one day, God is giving you that superpower. You can do whatever changes you want to do.
Taking chocolates like this.
Taking chocolates like this. And then
Eating like
you eat slowly or you eat fast.
I eat slow
You eat
because
slow.
I need another chocolate. No, I like it.
Ah.
That's why Mama will not let me eat. Okay, so I'll eat it small bite.
But everyday food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, you eat fast?
Slow.
Slow? How long do you take to
40
finish?
minutes.
And while you're eating, you watch cartoon?
No.
What do you do? While
Now, no.
you're...
Before I was
What's your dada's name?
Shravana,
What is your mama's name?
Shivani,
What do you call them?
Mama, Dada,
What does dada call mama? What does...
Shivani,
No, he calls her what?
Shiva.
Shivu?
Shivu and Shivani.
Shivu and Shivani. And what does mama call dada?
Shravana.
You have pet name?
Yeah,
What is your pet name?
cupcake.
Who calls you Cupcake?
Nobody.
You only call yourself Cupcake.
No.
Then
In Mama's phone, that's there.
Mama does also cakes, and she calls you also Cupcake. So Mama does a lot of baking. Do you like the smell?
Sometimes when she does cream cheese, no, I'll go inside the kitchen, no. That time I'll see cream cheese bowl, no, I'll take it and lick it.
You like cream cheese. What about Treshlicious?
I've not tried Treshlicious settings.
Brownie?
Brownie.
You like brownie?
Yum.
Yum, Mama makes good brownie.
It's yum.
It's yum. Okay. Fruits.
This much yum.
See, you have a lot of guys as friends in our friend circle, no?
Means
Mayank, Lishan, Sushen. There are 2 more baby boys.
Vedarya and
Avyukt. And you're the only girl baby. Correct, no? Basically, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವಳು ಒಬ್ಳೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಬೇಬಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್?
Yes, I only like playing with Mayank.
You like only playing with Mayank. What do you guys play?
We play running race,
Huh.
tag, freeze.
Okay. You and Mayank fight also, no?
For the bubbles you got now, that we fighted. And we finished the whole bubbles, that thing what is remaining. So one time he, one time me. He, me, he.
Okay. When you guys fight, how do you become friends again?
Like, I don't know.
What do you like doing the most and what do you not like at all?
I like eating ice creams, chocolates, mangoes,
Huh.
then strawberries and mulberries.
What are the things that నాకు ఇష్టంలే, like I don't want to get up, I don't want to go to school?
Yeah.
What are the other?
I don't want to go to class. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to get up. I don't want to do bath.
You don't want to take baths?
Because I'll sleep, no.
You just want to sleep?
Sleep.
Just sleep. Okay. No friends, no going and playing
There's no friends in my house.
in your house. But you can get up and go out now
Where?
to your friend's house.
How? I don't know that.
You don't know that. Okay. What do you want to become when you grow up?
Doctor. Not doctor, dentist.
Dentist. Why dentist?
Because I can fix my own teeth
Okay.
and I could fix babies also.
You can fix babies also.
Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only till 7 I could do. 6, 7.
What is 6, 7?
6, 7 is a number.
But why do you guys, kids, keep saying 6, 7? What is it? What does it mean?
7.
After that?
Go to heaven. Watch Cocomelon. Eat watermelon. 10 plus 1 is 11.
It's so boring, you know that, no?
I know another one, but I can't tell you.
Why?
Simply.
Please tell no. I'm also your friend. You
No.
did say and all. Huh?
Uh-huh.
Huh? No, no, now only you tell in
No,
Malayalam.
no.
Why?
Afterwards.
Okay, what do you want to tell finally? How was this interview? What did you like it? Did you not like it?
I liked it, but it was taking for hours.
Okay, before we end, there is one small thing, okay? So before we end the episode, ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is a small agreement between you and me. I want you to sign in this.
Means
Sign.
I don't know how to
You should write your name.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅವ್ಳ ಬರ್ಡೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾಮಕೆ ವಾಸ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಪಾಪ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಒಂಚೂರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಈ ಥರ ತರಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಡ್ and you will have to say what you feel about it. Oh, okay. You can read it.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you read what is written in the agreement?
Agreement between M.S. Varshini and M.S. Tashvi.
Okay.
This agreement is because M.S. Tashvi, what is this word? Hitler.
MS Tashvi
A
has a Hitler.
mom, and she needs a fun godmother to have a balance in life.
Huh.
Anytime you are irritated with your mom and want to complain, call me.
What you read this, no?
Yeah.
Anytime you are irritated with your mom and want to complain, call me. What is it?
If I'm irritated, I need to call you.
You'll call me.
Okay.
Pinky promise. Okay.
Everything pinky promise, pinky promise.
Yeah, because okay, otherwise you'll do normal promise. Girls do pinky promise only, no? Any other new promises come like this 6, 7?
6, 7 promise. Yeah, it's coming.
How do you do that?
Like this 6, 7 promise. I made it new one.
You made a new one. It is not there. I will believe whatever you say, Tashvi, now. Okay, the second point.
Any complaint from school or college can't tell your parents. I shall attend such meetings. Any boy troubling you, ask me on how to deal with it. With it. Crush relationship issues. We can always do sessions.
Yeah.
Anytime anyone makes
You
feel less, low, or what is this?
doubt.
Why B is
B is silent word in doubt.
doubt
So much English I know. I'm proud of myself.
yourself?
Huh.
Just reach out
To me. Okay. Some things you'll understand. Some things while going later in life you'll understand. Okay. You'll sign now. See, I have to sign here, you have to sign here. ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು ಇದು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹರ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ಸೈನಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ದಿ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ?
Yes.
The episode is over. Okay. Okay. Yes. Full heart and all she's writing. Balloon hearts. Okay. Done.
Take yours.
I have to sign.
Yes.
Okay. Done. Okay, this agreement is yours.
Yeah. Why you're doing Geecha Pacha in the last?
Because my handwriting is bad. Your handwriting is good. What to do? Okay. Thank you, Tashvi. Thank you so much for coming on our show. Tell thank you, yeah, before getting
Thank
down.
you. Like, share, subscribe.
ಟು ಹೆವಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮಗು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ರನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫುಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತುಂಬ ತರಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇ ಬಾಯ್.
Bye.
Tell thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Flying kiss. Okay.
Habba! Enough!